Okay, here are some Goodman heat pumps at a commercial place in my town that I have filmed at many times before. Currently, none of these units are running. And I just made a video of those Lennox units, those Lennox T classes, which are over there. I thought I'd get another video of these units, since it's been a while since I made a video of them. But yeah, none of these units are running right now. This is a 14-seer unit. And yeah, these are heat pumps. There's a reversing valve down there. It's a 4-ton from 2020. And then here's this Goodman right here. '14's here. This one's a 5-ton from 2020. Yeah, these are heat pumps. There's a reversing valve down there. But yeah. And I didn't get defrost of these units this last winter just because I don't know. I'm not extremely interested in getting heat pumps defrosting around here because they're not very common around here. And sometimes these units don't run, but I don't know. I guess I'll try to get these defrosting this coming winter. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.